sorry, I find about the 10-minute mark is good for uploading. It uploads rather quickly to Google Drive. YouTube just takes forever. That's why sometimes it takes me a while to get those YouTube videos up there. Okay, so let's look into variables. 3xy, we're still simplifying. I just cut it off because now it's two variables. 3xy plus y squared over 2y. Okay, so on the top you can factor out a y. And you get 3x plus y. And that's going to be over 2y. So then you can cross out ay. Okay, and you'll get 3x plus y over 2. Okay, factoring in two variables. Another example would be 4x squared y minus y cubed over 2x squared y minus xy squared. All right, the top here we can factor out a y. And we'll get 4x squared minus y squared, or the difference of two squares. And on the bottom, you can factor out an x and a y. And you'll get 2x minus y. Okay, so what we're looking for is for one of these factors to be 2x minus y, which obviously it is. So you get y, 2x plus y, times 2x minus y, the difference of two squares, over xy times 2x minus y. So we're going to cross out 2x minus y, 2x minus y, a y and a y, and you'll be left with 2x plus y over x. All right, that apparently is my lunch coming up. 2x plus y over x. Correct. All right, and one last one like that, and then we'll go on to multiplying and dividing rationals. Thank you. 2x squared plus 2xy minus 4y squared over 5x cubed minus 5xy squared. Okay, let's see, what can we do here? We can x minus 2y squared, right? They factor out a 2 first, that makes sense. So you get x squared plus xy minus 2y squared over, we can factor out a 5x on the bottom. And we'll get x squared minus y squared, difference of two squares. Okay. The top is going to factor to x minus 2y. No, x plus 2y times x minus y, right? Yes. All right, 2 times x plus 2y and x minus y. That'll give me the negative y squared, and in the middle I got the plus xy over 5x, x plus y, x minus y. So I can cross out the x minus y, and I'll be left with 2 times x plus 2y over 5x, x plus y. Okay. All right, so what we're going to look at next is multiplying and dividing rational expressions. Multiplying, you're just going to go straight across, but you're going to factor first so you can simplify, and that's why we just did that in 6-1. and divide, and you're going to use the reciprocal, and then multiply. Multiplying and dividing rational expressions. Okay, so if you are multiplying u over v times w over z, like I said, you can just multiply straight across. Multiply your numerators over your denominators. All right? But the first one they give you, yeah, that's what they do. They don't simplify yet. Okay. 4x cubed y over 3x y to the fourth times negative 6x squared y squared over 10x to the fourth. Okay, so we're just going to straight up multiply. 4 times negative 6 is negative 24. X cubed times x squared is x to the fifth. And y times y squared is y cubed. 3 times 10 is 30. X times x to the fourth is x to the fifth. And y to the fourth. Okay, now we're going to simplify. Negative 24 over 30 reduces to negative 4/5. X to the fifth over x to the fifth would cross out. And y cubed over y to the fourth, you would just have y left in the bottom. Okay, so negative 4/5 y. Okay, what else? X over 5x squared minus 20x times x minus 4 over 2x squared plus x minus 3. I remember this one from last year. Okay, let's see. All right, so they factored first. Okay, so what they did here is they went ahead and said, all right, obviously the top is x times x minus 4. On the bottom, they factored out a 5x from the first term. And got x minus 4, which is good, because then that's going to cross out. And then they factored the second term to be 2x, and we're going to have a plus and a minus, and the plus 3 is going to go with that. 2x plus 3, oops, and x minus 1. That gives me the negative 3, and plus 3x minus 2x will give me the plus x in the middle, and 2x squared. Okay? So at that point, I can cross out my x minus 4s, and an x and an x. Now, when you cross out the whole top like that, that doesn't give you 0, it gives you 1, right? So you'll have 1 over 5 times 2x plus 3 and x minus 1. Okay? Good. They might ask you for the domains in these. All right, so the x here, you can't have 1, and you can't have negative 3 halves. Okay, because you just can't have 0 on the bottom. All right, the next one like that, ooh, we're at 9 minutes. All right, let me pick up in the next one. Thanks.